Project planning is the backbone of project management, which includes objectives, goals, planning of employee tasking and allocation, work schedule, budgeting, etc. Project planning is part of project management, which relates to the use of schedules such as Gantt charts to plan and subsequently report progress within the project environment. Project planning can be done manually or by the use of project management software. The most important situations are those which need to be managed during the project life cycle. For complex projects, one can't imagine going ahead without having a clearly stated and effective project plan in hand. Most people think project planning is just limited to the scheduling of activities and tasks. In actuality, it is way more than that. A project plan is a formal document that is done by all project stakeholders with both the project execution and control. The primary uses of the project plan are to document project scope, project schedule, planning assumptions and decisions, and facilitate communication with stakeholders. It also defines how and when project objectives will be achieved by showing the major activities, milestones, and resources to deliver the project. The project plan answers every question that may arise in mind related to the implementation and successful completion of the project. A project plan outline document is presented to investors to briefly describe every aspect of the project.